What's good, everyone? It's MJO23Dan back with another video. Today's video, we have the 2023 Air Jordan 1 Reimagined in the royal blue colorway. Something different about this one. Can't really put my finger on it, but I know a lot of people are not accustomed to the type of materials on it. We'll take a look in this review coming up. Alright, so far we have a few Reimagined Series pairs that I want to showcase. So starting off with last year in 2022, you guys remember the patent bred Air Jordan 1s. One of the first pairs to have that label, considered the Reimagined Series, where they take old silhouettes, old colorways like this, and kind of reimagine them to what they would be in today's landscape. So starting off with the patent breds. You guys remember those? And then we had the, I believe it was is it the Jordan 3s? No, the Jordan 1s, the Reimagined Jordan 1s, where they took the Chicago colorway and made it into this weathered look. They brought back like the old school style box with the mismatched lid, so that if you were to find it in a warehouse or upon your travels and whatever, that a pair like this would come up. And then we have the Jordan 3, the Reimagined, in the white cement. I'm really looking forward to like another black cement version. The last one was in 2018, but it would be really cool to see like a reimagined black cement Jordan 3. Something I'm like waiting for, because I have one in the tank right now, and then I sold the one that I like had beat up, and now I like want it back. But this take right here, especially with the new style, well, actually it's like an old style retro throwback with the tongue. But yeah, the Reimagined Air Jordan 3, a lot of controversy with this one, only because the elephant print was different from one shoe to the other, and it was a big like fiasco about it. Now I don't even see people talking about it much, but that's pretty much how sneakers roll. Like, you get it and then you forget about it, and then it's always about the next thing. Like, people don't really enjoy sneakers for too long because the mind is just like thinking about the next one. But hey. And then we have the Air Jordan 1 Reimagined, which is dropping on November 4th for a retail price of $180. So the Jordan 1 has gone cheap, and then it's gone up in price, and then it's gotten to cheaper materials. No. But this one I thought was pretty well done. I'll be honest with you. I wasn't really looking forward to a suede and nubuck upper of a classic colorway like this. And it's just something that I wanted, back, from 2017. And check this out. So the royal blue Air Jordan 1 from 2017. This is a pair that I proudly beat up, right? Something that I wear like from time to time if I'm running errands or, going someplace. Awesome, right? Then you get the Christmas joint. Yep. But that's pretty crazy, right? Look at all that glitter. This is what happens when you leave your shoes as a collector in your closet in the box unscathed. So you see that one? That's on the right shoe. Check out my left one. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas, right? Glitter. I've talked about this before. Really, it's the way that the leather was treated then, and the types of leather that they used back in the mid 2010s. you know, when these sneakers started popping up. So you'll see a lot of sneakers like this with during that era where the black leather is actually turning into crystals like that or glitter. You know, you can wipe it off for sure. But look at that. That's crazy, right? Yeah, just get a damp cloth, wipe that off. It's gonna return. There's really no way to really prevent it unless, you know, you're wearing your sneakers. And so that's that. And then finally, one other pair that I wanted to show you guys was the original. So here's an original 1985 Air Jordan 1 in the royal blue colorway. Fantastic, right? You see like the purple laces, but they were royal blue, and over time they just fade and turn into this purple, which is just an amazing look on an OG. So, you know, you go from an original classic like this and reimagined, it is this. So, you guys tell me, which one do you prefer? Anyways, but enough of the history there and comparing all the sneakers involved. Let's go ahead and give you a review and my thoughts on the Air Jordan 1 Reimagined Royal Blue. Alright, so let's check out the details of the box. We have a black box with that royal blue Nike all around. I think that contrasting hit there, I kind of like more than the red. And then it's got a little bit of like a sheen to it with that matte black. It's kind of nice. Here we go with the details of the box label. The Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG. Style number is DZ5485 and color code is 042. Black, royal blue, and white. Went true to size on these, and they fit just like any other Air Jordan 1, so definitely go with your regular size. Alright. There's one stamp right here. Tissue paper. And then the shoes were actually individually wrapped. So you had one piece of tissue paper, and then you had another piece of tissue paper in here. And then finally the outer piece. And you have a YDM sticker in there. Alright, so the shoe comes in full black and royal blue. The royal blue bits on the sneaker are suede, so it's got more of that hairy texture. Whereas the black is the nubuck. If you see, using my finger across the material, you can see how it fades back and forth. Nice touch, man, and it's really soft to the touch. Like, this is probably one of the key pieces that reeled me into the sneaker. I mean, the royal blue hit on the sneaker overall too is pretty cool. But I gotta be honest with you guys, I wasn't feeling this colorway when they showed it online or it leaked online. And I'm like, why didn't they just make this leather? But now I can see what the designers were thinking. And man, it's a reimagined take, like they say, it's reimagined. Nylon tongue, Nike Air in that royal blue, very nice, as well as the back. And then on the inside, you got black laces in the shoes, the tissue paper, and you have a black insole with that royal blue Nike Air hit on the heel. My particular pair was produced between March 29, 2023 and June 6th of 2023. A day after my birthday. Nice. The laces in a cardboard box. Just like the satin pair. and other pairs before then. The Move to Zero campaign. You got the royal blue laces right in there. I'm going to show you what it looks like matched up with the color of the upper so you guys can get an idea. And then pretty much same details all throughout. Here's a look at that outsole. And then the Air Jordan Wings logo is embossed. So it's a nice little detail there. I don't know if you guys remember the Flyknit Air Jordan 1s. Those were different as well. You could pretty much think of those as being a reimagined pair as well. I ended up selling those. I didn't really like them. But I did keep the Flyknit Air Jordan 3s. I like those a lot more than the 1s. But if you remember, the Air Jordan 1 Flyknit had a patch up here. Some people removed it. Some people left it as is. You know, it's just a different take. I haven't really seen anything like that in previous pairs. I think I've seen in other special projects pairs. Maybe there was a metal version of the Air Jordan Wings logo. I can't remember which one or if there really was one. But hey, if that's free game for Jordan Brand, go ahead and take it. But yeah. Alright guys, so that is your look at the 2023 Air Jordan 1 Royal Reimagined. Or is it Reimagined Royal? Anyways, however you want to put it, that's the review. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section below. Is this something that you're going to be picking up? Is it something that, you know, you could probably see down the line in the future? Do you like the Reimagined series? I mean, would you want to go back to the remastered look? I don't know. Let me know your thoughts. And yeah, we'll see you on the next video. Take care, guys.